how to find about what the market says, how to find about what the market says about the new project. Google review is best. Go to Google, ask Google, and Google will give you the answer for that. What are some things we should know about the project before we start a sale? Okay. About the project, what you should do about is, first thing is you need to know about the builder. Who is the builder, right? And builder's reputation has to be seen. How many negative reviews you are getting about that builder? See that. If you are getting too many negative reviews about the builder, then don't market the project. Okay. And if you are getting very less, see, every good builder also, like for example, even Godrej will have a negative review, right? But based on that negative review, don't make a judgment about Godrej. Apple iPhone is one of the best iPhones, but even Apple iPhone will get negative reviews. Not, you cannot satisfy everybody in this country. So there will be negative reviews, but see what kind of negative reviews are coming, right? If negative reviews related to something like delay in delivering the project, okay, non refund is not being given. If the cancellation is happening, refund is not being given. These kind of negative reviews are very sensitive. Okay, if more number of such negative reviews are coming, then you are in danger. You are going to deal with a person who is not going to give you a brokerage also properly. You will be selling the property for him and you will not get money for that property. Okay. I can ask some of the experienced people in this group. There are some people who would have sold, okay, properties, but they would not have got brokerage. Am I correct in the group members? Anybody has done that? Anybody has experienced it? After selling, you have still not got brokerage. Is there anyone in the group? If there is anyone, just mention yes, me in the group. You will find that these kind of problems are there. So you need to be careful in selecting the property. See, Plaban from Kolkata, he says me. I have experience. He has sold property, but he has not got his brokerage. Muniramu, okay, he has sold properties, he has not got brokerage because of the mistake that he has done in not selecting the right project. Okay, builder, you should do a review about that person, know about that person, see what kind of negative reviews are coming in the Google, right? There is something called mouthshed.com. In mouthshed.com, when you go there, you will get the negative review about almost all the builders there. If the negative reviews are not related to refunds, not related to delay in delivery of this thing, but something else, the people there, they did not answer me properly, I have been calling them, nobody seems to be answering. These kind of things, when they come, you can ignore it. And you see number of positive reviews and number of negative reviews. If the positive reviews are more and negative reviews are limited, then you can ignore that. Okay, ignore the negative reviews. So like this, you need to do something before taking up a project. Okay, next question is, what are some things we should know about the project before we start a sale? I've answered that. Where can we find about the comparison with other developers? Google, right? In Google, you can just go there and put, like other day I showed some people how to find out the market price, right? When you go to find a market price in a particular location, go to Google, search that property, 3 BHK flat in Jainagar. Then you will find that all the builders who are selling 3 BHK flat in Jainagar, they will be showing in the Google first page. You start clicking each one of them and then try to find out what is the difference between this and this developer and that developer. This is how you can make a comparison.